So this is the little torch kit bought on Amazon. So MAP and Oxy. Can use it with propane and oxygen as well. I'm using it with MAP for this demonstration. So so this is 1/2 inch copper that I've swedged, put a piece in there. So I'm gonna braze that piece of copper. Okay. There we go. There's your flame. I'm gonna fine tune here. Give her a good amount of heat. There's your nice cone shape on the flame. I think it should be fine. And I got some Silfox here. Perfect. See if I can hold this up without. So there's the braze joint there. So that's 1/2 inch. Seemed to be pretty good amount of heat there. So the next step will be testing with some larger diameters, 5/8, 7/8, and see how we do. But happy with the purchase for, was it $78? Seems to work fine.